Hey everybody, I'm Nicole Ricci and I am cruising out to Port Townsend, Washington, where I go on my favorite excursion of the itinerary, a private sail, and actually a sailing lesson as well from the Duracell Project. They are famous YouTubers. Hey, here I am, my small little channel, and the couple who is teaching the sailing lessons are actually YouTubers. They're building out this other sailboat, but the sailboat they take us on is the 40-foot sailboat La Via en Rose, and it's a beautiful, beautiful, probably I think over $500,000 sailboat that we got to take out and I got to steer. Check it out.
Praise be a weapon that silences the enemy. And let praise be a weapon that conquers all anxiety. Let it rise. Let praise arise. We sing your name in the dark and it changes everything. We sing with all we are and we claim your victory. Let it rise. Let praise arise. Come on now, here we go. We'll see break down every wall. We'll watch the giants fall. Fear cannot survive when we praise you. The God of breakthroughs on our side. Forever lifted high. With all creation cry, God, we praise you. Oh, we praise you. Oh, come on, let faith be the song that overcomes the raging sea. And let faith be the song that calms the storm inside me. Let it rise. Let faith arise.
All right, everyone, it's the end. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Once again, I want to shout out Matt and Janni from the Duracell Project. Super awesome people who led our sailing lesson week after week, and our guests love them and love the experience. I would love to grow my channel just like theirs, so if you are not already subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!